Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to create pie chart in Power BI. To create any new chart in Power BI, you have to click in the white portion of the canvas. Then activate the pie chart. In the legend, you will select the categorical variable, that is region. Now in the values, either you can pick up the categorical variable, which is category, segment, or you can pick up the continuous variable, which is represented by the summation sign. So if we pick up the categorical data, then the pie chart will be generated on the basis of count. If we select the continuous variable, then the pie chart will be created on the basis of summation. Let's see. Now in the values, let's select the sales. So this pie chart is created on the basis of sum of sales by region. Activate the focus mode. See, in South region, the sum of sales. In Central, sum of sales. In East, sum of sales. Now instead of sales, if you pick up the categorical data, let's say the category. So here, the pie chart will be generated on the basis of count. So in South region, the count is 1620, 2323, East 2848, West 3203. Now if you want to include more details in this pie chart, how we can do it? So there are two ways. First, pick up the segment and drop it into the region, into the legend. As soon as I drop another categorical variable into the legend, this drill up and drill down will get activated. So at present, your chart is on the basis of region. Press this, and now it will be on the basis of segment. Again, drill up, drill down. So this is first way. Second is pick up the segment and drop it into the detail. So now your pie will get divided into subsections. So in region south, home office, count of category. In region south, segment corporate. Region south, segment consumer. Now instead of count of category, so now let's pick up the sales. So the information which we get is in region south for segment home office, how much is the sales for corporate and for consumer. Now format this visual. Click here, activate the legend. Where do you want this legend? Center right, top left. So we can adjust the legend. Text. The size of the text of the legend can be changed. The font can be changed. Color can be changed. Title. So here it is written region. If we want to include some more words, we can do it region wise. At any moment of time, if we want to reset to default, just press this reset to default. Done. Slices. You can change the color of the slices also for one of them. Detail labels, options. Do you want outside, inside? Prefer outside, prefer inside. So keep it outside only, that is better. Now, what do you want to display? Data value and percentages. So all these options are available. Only data value. Percentage of total. All detail labeling. You can change the font size of this, color of it, Display units are in thousands. It can be changed to millions. Uh, you can specify the decimal places. Rotation. Just see how much rotation we want to give. Now go in general. Click back to the report. Click on properties. By increasing this number, the height of the chart will increase, the width of the chart will increase. Position, the chart will shift horizontally towards the right hand side. The chart will shift towards the bottom. Padding. Now by increasing this value, the inner white space will increase. So this will drag the chart towards the bottom. This will drag the chart towards the top. This will drag the chart towards the left, towards the right, and this will drag towards the left. Advanced options, keep it as it is. Go in title. So it is sum of sales by region. We don't want sum, remove it. Sales by region. The color can be changed. We can specify the background. Keep it light, that is much better. Horizontal adjustment, yes. Do we require subtitles? At present, no. Divider, on. So it's this line, divider is this line. Spacing, activated. By increasing this number, the vertical spacing. By increasing this number, the space between the title and the chart will increase. Effects. Do we require any background? Yes. Select the lighter background. Done. Visual border. So we want the rounded edges. See, it's now rounded. Shadow on it. So it should be outside, bottom right. Header icons. So it's related to filters, focus mode. This has turned blue. Do we require border in this? Icons color can also be changed. But I feel that the default setting is more appropriate and therefore reset to default. Make sure in icons everything is on. Okay, activate the focus mode. Done. Now you can export this data in CSV format. So as table. The layout can be changed. Short axis. So at present the sum of sales is on and descending is on. We can change it to region. So the sorting is descending. We can change it to ascending. Sort legend. So just tick mark on segment and automatically it will select either descending or ascending. If you want to change it to descending, click on it. Now click on back to report. So this was all about creating a pie chart using the Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to share and like this video. You can also follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.